This is the Vwar T-Rex 3 GPS Adventurer smartwatch in always-on mode. Twist your wrist, you can light up one of the custom watch faces I downloaded. You can even set the settings so each time you rotate your wrist, it'll bring up a new and different watch face. This one's really fun. That's the minutes scrolling by. Wow, talk about sands of your life, huh? Pull down, you got all these different controls. You can rearrange them and change them. I got a couple of pages full in here. Twist your wrist to see the time. Always on display. Shake water from your watch if you swim with it. Yeah, it's got the MIL-STD certifications on it and nice waterproofing, and of course you can add more things here as well too. When you swipe to the right, you'll get notifications sent from your phone. Swiping up, you get all kinds of things: your overall step count for the day, music player, heart rate and blood oxygen are reported, stress is included, weather in your area, and these are all tappable. When you tap them, you go into the full apps. Last night's sleep time, you got workout records that you've done. Ladies, you can set this whole thing up and see instantly where you are in your cycle. Barometer, altimeter, a stopwatch that runs in the background, and you can see it directly from here. You can set up world clocks and more. All of that from swiping up. Swipe off to the left. Now you're getting into all of the apps that are installed here. The basic ones that we saw, your phone calling, contacts, keypad, SOS number are there. Your activities again. You've got all of them biometrics. Your voice assistant is available. You got a built-in compass in here. You calibrate it, and that'll come up on your screen. Breathing exercises. Your world clock is in here as well. All the things we just looked at, including now a calculator and flashlight. Find your phone. You can program buttons like this one I've programmed to turn on the flashlight. Turn it back off. You have sporting activities here, and when you set it up and run it, you even have the ability to backtrack on your route, integrating a compass and overall GPS with your workout or your adventure. It's a really nicely built, very rugged smartwatch, steel, 3/16 seal. You've got removable bands, but they're special. They're not your standard slide-off ones. It's not going to pop out on you on the trail and fall on the ground. You have to actually unscrew this, and it comes with a screwdriver to do that. It's got its little mountain logo on the side and GPS over here. It's a really well-constructed watch. Again, it's from Vwar, called the T-Rex 3 GPS. Check it out.